Hey everybody, I have a Trane XE90 furnace and I'm having a problem with my furnace. When I go to turn it on, there is a loud buzzing noise and a red light coming off of the control box. The control box buzzes and that little red LED lights up. Now, I racked my brain Googling what the problem could be. And short of taking apart the whole furnace and getting the several capacitors on the motor, which is in this bottom section right there, all I had to do was use my eyeballs and look at the instructions on the control panel for the furnace. Now, in a second, I'm going to recreate the issue so you guys can hear it. I just have the power turned off to the furnace because it's very loud. But if you look at the control box, it tells you where the diagnostic LED indicator is. Right there, which is right there. And it gives you a list of codes. Now, I have continuous on, which means there is an internal control failure. Replace the control box. And this is the expensive code. So, I want to try to replace this control box by myself and hopefully fix my furnace. But first, let me show you the noise and the light that are coming from the furnace, just in case you might have this problem too. So I just turned the breaker on to the furnace. You can hear that buzzing noise. It's definitely coming from right here. You can even feel it. And there's the solid LED light. It's not blinking, it's not flashing, it's solid, which means continuous on. Okay, now that I've shown you what the issue I'm having is, the next step I did was look up the make and model of the old control box, which is White Rogers right there. Now this furnace is almost 30 years old, so of course they do not make that specific make and model anymore. You can only find these used on eBay, which I'm not going to trust that. But there is a place called supplyhouse.com, and they have the newer replacement model, which you can purchase. This is about $130 off of the website, free shipping, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Now, I will leave the link for this in the description of this video. What's really great about supplyhouse.com is anybody can purchase parts from their website. You do not need to be a professional heating or plumbing professional to do so. Like many local joints will only sell to licensed individuals. So just to remind everybody, I am not a licensed individual. So do not take this as professional advice. You may do what you want with this video. All I'm trying to do is save a couple $100, maybe even close to 4 figures with my luck. So take this video as you will, and if I screw this up and it doesn't work, yes, I will eat it and I will hire a professional. But I will try to replace this myself, so you may do what you wish with this video. So here we have the brand new part. This is everything that came in the package. A brand new control box, mounting screws and wire extensions if you need. It looks pretty straightforward, so pretty much everything might just be plug and play if I get lucky. So I'm going to do this very slowly. I'm not going to show you that because it's going to take a very long time. So the next time you see this, hopefully I got this installed and it's working properly. Okay, welcome back everybody. So I have the new control box installed. Here is the old control box. Everything was pretty much plug and play like I hoped for. Everything was the exact same label in the exact same spot. I did leave the factory settings on the control box. If you look on the back here of the old one, I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look, but it looks like it's been burned or fried almost. So maybe that was the issue. Who knows? This thing's almost 30 years old, so. I haven't turned it on yet. I just wanted to show you guys I got it all together and mounted. Everything was a-okay. So I'm going to turn it on now and let's have our fingers crossed. Okay, let's hope we do not have a buzzing sound. Here we go. I don't hear anything. let's go check out the furnace. Okay, power is on. I do not see the LED light being on. I do not hear any buzzing. So I'm gonna go to the thermostat and try to turn on the furnace and we'll see what happens. Okay everybody, take 2 of this. So I'm not gonna show you it all, but it turns out when I first replaced the board and turned it on, I was not getting power to the thermostat. I did a little research, and after another awesome YouTuber's video who did the exact same thing I did, he noted that it's very important to read the gosh darn instructions. Because right here on page 4, it says, install a circuit jumper wire, which is provided in the kit, and it must be installed on the furnace from R01 to R02 on the 12-pin connector. This is the 12-pin connector. And if you rewind the video, you'll notice there is no black jumper wire installed because I forgot to install that black jumper wire. So now I have installed the black jumper wire. I shut all the lights off in the garage, flipped the breaker on. I saw the red LED on the power control box turn on, which indicates it has power because it does say it will flash once when power is supplied. So now I will go and check the thermostat and hopefully we got power to the thermostat. Okay, so now we have power to the thermostat. So we go to test the heat, put the heat on, and that's it. So hopefully in 45 minutes it gets warm in here. Okay, we're back at the furnace, and as you can hear, it kicked itself on and it's running heat. So, there you have it folks, how to change a thermostat control board on a Trane XE90 furnace. A little YouTubing, a little research, and a little clicking can help you save hundreds by doing it yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe below. And hey, don't mind leaving those hate comments because I know you're all going to be mad and say, oh, you shouldn't have done that because you're not a professional. Well, guess what? It's my furnace, my house, and if I mess it up, guess what? I'll pay to have it done correctly. Thanks, YouTube. Bye.